In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a digital gift card on Best Buy. By the end, you'll be confident sending a quick, secure e-gift that lands right in someone's inbox. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Best Buy gift cards. From the results, click the official Best Buy website. You'll know you're in the right place if the URL is clearly Best Buy and you see the secure lock icon in the address bar. Once you're on the site, look for the gift card section. Select the option for email or digital gift cards. This ensures the gift is delivered electronically, which is perfect for last-minute gifting and avoids any shipping delays. Next, choose the amount you want to send. You'll typically see preset values like $25, $50, or $100. Pick the one that fits your budget or the occasion. When you've decided, click Add to Cart so the digital card is ready for checkout. You'll then be prompted to enter the recipient's email address, your name, and an optional message. Take a moment to carefully double-check the email spelling. This is crucial because the gift card will be delivered to that exact address. Adding your name helps the recipient recognize who it's from, and a short message adds a personal touch without affecting delivery. When your details look good, proceed to checkout. Click Checkout, and you'll have the choice to sign in to a Best Buy account or continue as a guest. Signing in can make it easier to track orders, but continuing as a guest is perfectly fine if you prefer a quick, one-time purchase. For payment, enter your credit or debit card information, or choose PayPal if that's more convenient for you. Make sure your billing details match what your payment provider has on file to avoid verification delays. Review your order summary carefully. Confirm the gift card type is email or digital, the amount is correct, and the recipient's email is accurate. When everything looks right, click Place Order. You should see an order confirmation on the screen, and you'll receive a confirmation email as well. The digital gift card is sent to the recipient's email, usually within minutes. In some cases, Best Buy may need to verify the purchase, which can add a bit of time. If delivery seems slow, it's worth reminding the recipient to check their spam or promotions folder. And keep your confirmation handy until they confirm they've received it. That's it. Your Best Buy digital gift card is on its way.